Hello, children. How are you today? How have you been? Great, thank you very much. I hope you're doing great at home or wherever you are. Okay, do you still remember what we talked about after I shared with you my videos? Yes, yeah, we talked about winter clothes. So, what are we going to talk about today? Let me give you a question, some questions first, yeah? I have an object here. Do you know what this is? Yeah, this is a coloring pencil. Correct. And do you know what are these? Yes, correct. Good job. These are coloring pencils. So, what is the difference? Yeah, the difference is the first one I gave you one pencil, and the second one I gave you more than one pencil, right? And the topic is about this one. These, yeah, that and those. For this word, this is how you read the word. These with z sound. Right, now let's continue. So, what about these versus these? So we use these when we talk about one thing, item, or object which is close to you, just like the example that I've given to you today. Pencil. This is my pencil. Yeah, because it's close to me, that's why I use this. Another example, there is a boy, he holds a drawing and he says, "This is my drawing." Yeah, because the drawing is close to him, right? And it's only one. What about these? When do we use these? Yeah, we use these when we talk about many things or more than one thing which are close to you or close to us. Just like the example that I've given to you just now. More than one pencil, yeah. There are 5 pencils, so I would say these are my pencils. Okay, another example, 3 apples. And the apples are close to the finger's hand. These are apples. Now we talked about that versus those. So when do we use that? We use that to talk about one thing, item, or object which is not close to you or far away from you. So remember, the object is only one and it is close, and the thing or the object is not close to you. Okay, it's probably a little bit far from you. For example, there is a boy and a finger's hand pointing to that boy. So it would be that is a boy. Okay, remember, yeah? What about those? So when do we use those? So we use those to talk about more than one thing or many things which are not close to you or a bit far away from you. Example, there is a boy and there goes his friends. There are 5 of his friends and they're far away from him, so he would say those are my friends because they're far and they're more than one. Alright, this is the pattern that you have to remember when you use these or that. You have to use is. For example, this is or that is. This is my pencil. That is my pencil. When you use these or those, you have to use are. These are my pencils. Those are my pencils. Like that. Now I gave you another example. Let's try it together. It's quite hot here. The sunlight shines on my face. So we have socks. A pair of socks. A finger's hand pointing to those socks. Remember, it is close, yeah, not far. They're close. This is the question. Alright, because the distance between the finger's hand and the socks are close, so you just between these or these for many items. Yeah, these are her socks. Good job. Now I want you to take a notebook or a piece of paper. We'll try to answer other questions. Number 1. Yeah, you may write down number 1 on a piece of paper or on your notebook. So the picture is this one. I will not tell you what the picture is. Yeah, just guess what picture it is. Okay, and this is the question. Let's see the distance. Yeah, it is far. Okay, it is far, and the thing is only one, so we just use between that or those. What are your answers? Please decide. And the answers are that is her scarf. Yeah. So guys, you wear scarf. Where do you wear scarf? You wear scarf on your neck during winter, but we don't have winter season here. You may wear scarf when you're feeling cold at home or outside. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Number 2. What do we have here? A picture and the question. Now you have another type of question. Yeah, this is a question. Yeah, because there is a question mark here, not a normal question. Yeah, see the distance. Yeah, the distance is very close to the item or the object. And what object is this? And now please decide your answers. Alright, you just use between these or these because the item or the thing is very close to the finger's hand. The answers are, is this your lunchbox? So guys, remember, because this is a question, so we put is in front. Okay, so we have to start with is first. Is this? Okay, now we go to the next question, number 3. So what do we have here? Okay, 6 items, and again a question with a question mark. So what picture is this? And see this distance, it is very close to the finger's hand. I mean hand's fingers, sorry. So you just use between these or these. Please decide your answers. Yeah, correct. Yeah, Are these her, yeah, winter hats? Next question. Question number 4. What do we have? Yeah, a pair of something. There are 2 items. And see the distance. It is far away. It is quite far from the hand's finger. Question? Yeah, it's just a normal sentence, yeah? You just use between that or those. Now please decide your answers. The answers are, yeah, good. Those are his gloves. Yeah, good job everyone. Thank you very much for answering the questions. For those who could answer correctly all the 4 numbers, good job. You have done great job today. And for the last one, I'd like to say thank you very much for listening and watching my today's video. And I'll explain about all the lessons on the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.